Hi guys, good afternoon. Eto medyo nagpapahinga kami ng konti ng aking co-workers.
Kasi na-busy kami kanina.
Yes, kaalis lang ng client namin, nagpapa-makeover from Kiamba yun sila. Mag-ina sila guys. So actually na-bless ako sa kanila guys dahil hindi ko alam guys na very spiritually equipped sila guys. Sinabi nila sa akin guys yung gospel. Sinabi nila sa akin guys ng gospel guys. So nagtahimik lang ako guys. Pinakinggan ko lang din sila. Pero I am guided by the Lord. Sinabi ko rin sa kanila na walang makakasave na religion kasi si Jesus ang makakasave kasi sinabi niya yan sa John 14:6. Jesus said unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Nag-agree naman po sila guys kasi is it true naman po kasi it is written in the Holy Bible. Kaya nga po kami dito sa work namin, workplaces namin, kailangan namin ng unity, kailangan namin ng love, understanding, lalo na po may takot sa Panginoon dahil sinabi po niya ng Panginoon sa Romans 8:28, all things work together for good to those who love Him according to your purpose. Hindi po pwede na wala kayo, wala din kami kasi nagmamanicure kami, nagpipedicure kami. Kailangan namin ng client, nag-ribbon. By the way guys, we have promos. Kagaya ng ribbon. Ribbon, any length ng hair, 999. Brazilian Botox po, any length din is 799. And also, pa-color din po kayo, any length din is 699.
Okay guys, thank you
So,
guys.
bye. Punta na kayo dito guys. I love you all. Bye-bye.